continue.
Hey, Mr. Supervisor, pick up channel 1, please. I've been sleeping through the day, working night shift for 11 weeks in the middle of the ocean. The same old food to eat and the grinding and construction. They taking control of me,
We're just walking here on the high water mark. There's a little piece. Seeing if we can get some red bait. Pick that one up, let's see how it looks. Yeah. Nah, leave him. Alright, yeah, there's a bit. They're pretty small though. There's a decent piece over there. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Not less for wet feet yet. Nice. That's a decent one. Yeah, you'll be good. Any of these will be fine. Look at that, eh? You can see where it was attached to the rock, yeah. See, it grows in between the weeds and stuff. See, here's its little heads. Oh. Look there.
What is that?
That's how it filters its water. That's why they live on the rocks like that.
Oh.
When the waves break over them, they collect that water and then they have a filtering system. And you'll see when the wave pulls back, then you see them squirt like that, releasing that water. They're amazing, actually.
No,
and they're still fresh.
It's pretty actually the one I like.
Here we go.
Take me out of this dark place, take me out of this mind. Take me back to the green hills. Oh, take me out of this dark place, take me out of this mind. Oh, take me back to the green hills, take me back. Take me out of this mind. Take me out of this mind. Take me out of this mind. Oh, take me out of this mind.
Put your rod in your left hand, eh? Okay. And use it as like a kiri. So that you hold yourself against the rock side.
Cool. 100%.
And just go easy, no rush. And go slow, don't take a chance. Sure. There's the zone, boys. Flat rocks, my bro.
We have made it.
Let's get the wood.
How's it, guys? Thank you for clicking on our video. We've come out here. We organized the trip to Nature's Valley. We brought Dylan. You can remember him from Port St. John series.
Yeah.
And Peach is always joining us.
Thomas.
Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna come out and target some white mussel cracker. Sean can tell you more about that one, eh?
Yeah, so we had a spot here that's well known for musclecracker. The sea's pretty low, but there are plenty shallow reefs, so it is working. So chances still look good. We're going to try and get some red bait and hopefully a couple of armadillo. And yeah, see if we can get into some of these wild beasts.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it. Right,
stay tuned.
Cheerio.
Yeah, so we're about to go cast in. Let's show you what Sean's got on here. He's got a young little crabby.
Yeah, so red crab, yeah.
Red crab.
That could do the trick.
That's gonna do the trick.
Woo. Yeah, bro.
Let's go gooi it in.
Let's go give it a chuck.
You ready, Deli?
I am ready, my boy. I can't wait, dude.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Dulls hasn't hooked a serious fish yet.
Yeah.
Now I think if there's any time to hook a good fish is today. So hopefully we can hooking up with a musclecracker.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So we definitely seeing that now. Alright.
Okay, let's go cast this one in for Dulls.
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you ready, bro?
I am.
Do you have your bucket? Get your bucket, the black one. Okay, come stand here. You see your line here? In that wave now? Just other side of these rocks, it's going into the water.
Okay.
Follow it down here.
I'll find it.
Let's see it
Oh,
now.
yeah, okay. Now.
See it there?
Right here.
So you just want to keep enough tension on your rod
Yeah.
that it keeps the line a little bit stiff. Okay, so it doesn't, the waves don't wash it in. Okay, and you see your line must be there. See, just a little bit of tension.
Okay.
Okay,
When it goes, is there like a drag or is it just gonna?
yeah, I'm setting a drag now. Hills, when this thing, it's gonna feel like this,
Okay.
and it'll take your rod down. When your rod gets to, wait, don't put your line on the rocks.
Okay.
Only when it gets quite far down, then you pull back on it and you just hold. And if it bullies you, then you just hold it, and as soon as it gives you a bit of slack, you wind as quick as you can.
Oh, okay.
So it's a massive fight between you and it.
Yes.
But you're lying good there. How you feeling?
Lekker, lekker.
Lekker. You're nervous.
Oh no.
Big dog is coming.
Oh, I just feel so sad, bro, because I'm gonna have to break the record.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heavy. You're gonna break the record. Yeah, easy, dude.
Yeah, if you're gonna break it anyway, it will be yeah.
Yeah. What is dude, this on the vlog and stuff, dude. Yeah, it's just like throw in and then literally 3 seconds later on there.
On our vlog.
Yes.
Ne? It's called editing. Crabby in the hole.
Oh,
Oh, real. Leave it. Just keep your slack up. Slack. Right. Yes.
Alright.
More.
More. Your line must be tight again.
The rocks here. It's out.
Did you have a bite, dude?
I did, but it was like hard enough.
I don't feel.
But it did it. I felt it the first time.
How was it, dude?
I first felt it not.
Yeah? No way. Straight down. Yeah, that is. Let me help you so quick. No, let me help you. I wonder if it didn't cut him off. Is this thing recording?
Yeah.
Next time you feel a knock, you must howl prematurely so that I can.
Okay. Wait.
He's stuck.
Okay.
Hold it right there, it'll be fine for now.
Yeah. It's
And then I'll
not
go
gonna
put you a
happen.
new one on Nana. So you felt it?
I literally felt it.
Oh
for the first
my
time.
soul, that's sick.
But I'm cockslow with that shit because I was like, no.
Couldn't be.
No.
Yeah, of all those, Dylan goes, Chad. Thanks, bro.
But Sean always said you'll know when you know, dude.
Yeah.
Eh?
No, that was 100%.
So, and then you hook your hand in the line like this. Reel the line super tight first. Sorry, man. Super tight. Yes. Nice. Now you grip it like this, and then you twist like this. Boom. Twist your rod. Yes. Oh, that is
Yes.
professional.
That's not bad.
All right. Then you put it over your shoulder. Yeah. Put on the glove. Don't move you.
I got it. Just try again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it on the glove?
Yeah, that's nearly there. Then you put it over your shoulder, and then you walk slowly
But watch where you're walking.
and anticipate the forward motion at alarming rate.
Yeah, go a bit left.
Yeah, keep going. You can do it.
It's also in HD right now.
It won't patch. Wait, no. It's too skitsy. You gotta reel everything up again. Start again. Where are you gonna walk?
Watch the ocean, yeah?
Okay. Now you got it. Whoa. Hey! Show him on the back again.
Look at beer! Look at beer! What? They had him going. He's right on the road.
Dude, look at that. Jokes, I'm defending.
Whoa.
Yeah, I got about a meter's play, yeah.
Remember what's behind us, eh?
Yeah. Yes! You. Yeah, this is extreme fishing, eh?
Rock fishing is
Mental, bro. This is, it's not play, bro.
Dude, that's why I said rock fishing is mental. You can land a musclecracker, yeah.
You have not?
This is where I've looked at.
Yo, interesting? Yeah. Now what was hectic for me is when those other times I came to the spot, when I cast the armadillo, then immediately like there were little peckers, and most of the times I've caught a cracker there was other activity, like I could feel it was a little fish, and then all of a sudden it's just a main dog. But there were times when I koi, and then if there are no nibbles, then I've never really hooked one, which seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah, bro.
But because I only say it because some oaks will say like, oh, you put a muscle cracker bait in and you just wait, you know. They say that, like, yeah, sometimes, yeah, but if they're peckers, you know, if there's nothing, it doesn't help. Rather replace, maybe they're not in that zone. I don't know if that made sense.
Yeah, I'm just saying there's no peckers, like nothing to count.
Exactly.
But if they are peckers, then all of them are out and there's big muscle crackers chilling out there.
Yeah, I'm with you. So I think I'm gonna take out, put a armadillo on, because we've now had some action, and I'm gonna get a better one on that gully end there, a deeper cast. And those had a pull here, so these oaks must go back here, I think. Like, this is out of this world right now, eh? Do you notice that you came loose as soon as these waves just got a bit bigger?
Yeah, dude.
Yo, hold on. It's just a set that came through.
They're coming like 7.
Yeah, normally 7.
Yeah, when the big ones there.
Yeah. But oh, and I was saying, like, often a super low tide spot is actually not too bad if you can quickly go and cast that like hour where you quickly go cast and come stand back, because like your line just came off. The water level is higher there, so it's less chance of hooking on that front ledge. So we must, the boys who got some balls will stand a bit. I'm not keen to bounce it.
And on there we can also koi in.
Yeah, how's that, eh, Paul? I've never thought about going like this.
What's the bait?
The bait.
Go on,
He's so
Yeah.
Hey. Yes, he's got it, eh?
Yeah, how strong are those little suckers?
Yes, the guy protects himself. Hey, you.
Dude, that's insane.
Blends in.
And he blends in. Look at the side of this rock. It's
Yeah,
exactly
as well.
that little green color.
Oh.
I don't know how far. I just saw it.
That's how you buy things. Alright, thanks for watching. As you can see, we're not at the coast right now. We're home, which is depressing. Getting ready for exams and stuff. But thanks for watching our video, and stay tuned for future adventures. I think we are planning a couple of trips after exams. Maybe hit up Mazeppa again. Get down to the Western Cape. Yeah, plenty more things coming.
And probably December we'll also go Nature's Valley again, where we just were, even though we didn't catch a fish, it was fun. We had a lot of fun on the rocks,
That's nice.
as you saw. And yeah, hopefully we can catch next time we're there. We'll go for a longer time. And yeah, do a bit more, I don't know, of a vlogging type of video. Get more personal. But yeah, you'll see that in the future, definitely.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah, bring the full experience to you, and hopefully you can get to know us better as we go along, and hopefully the filming gets better and better, and want to grow this thing, go large. So yeah.
If you guys enjoy the footage, if it is actually entertaining, which it is for us, trust, we love it, you can subscribe.
Be much appreciated.
Yeah, feedback on comments is always appreciated. We like to know what's happening in your guys' brains when you watch the video. So yeah.
What's going on?
Always remember to keep it real.
Keep it real.
Good.